Hi, this is Dean from GPI Supplies. I wanted to show in this video how you can remove a background from design files that you upload into the gang sheet builder. Sometimes you get artwork and it still has the artboard around it, aka a white background. Very easy way to remove it in this gang sheet builder. First thing you do is pick the size of the gang sheet you want. It really doesn't matter. You can change it when you're in the builder. Hit Create Gang Sheet and drag your design in. You're going to see when this presents itself that it's going to have a white background. You can see that. There's a white background around it. When you bring in the design in, it's going to be in the Gang Sheet Builder section. Just hit Edit Image and Remove Background. It's going to give you 1, 2, 3, or 4 different options. Usually the first one is the best one. I'll wait till it generates the second. And I'm going to click on the first one. This one gave me 4. The first one, like I said, is always the best. Hit save. It's going to ask me to add it to this gang sheet builder. Add images. And now I can pick the quantity that I want, create the gang sheet, and you're going to see that there's no background in there.